everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the Ultra Battery Saver mode on your Xiaomi phone. So if you look through here, we have the option for Battery Saver, and if we hold down on it, here are all the different settings. Now it doesn't give you the option for Ultra Battery Saver, so we can just turn it on and it's going to like dim the screen a little bit. So what we actually want to do is go to Settings right here, and then go on down, and we want to go to Battery. Now under Battery, there's going to be battery modes. Current mode, just hit this, and you can see there's an option for Ultra Battery Saver mode right here, and the regular Battery Saver mode will only save me about an hour. But if I go to the Ultra Battery Saver mode, this is going to save me a lot more time. And now it says it restricts most power consuming features, decreasing your device's performance. So yeah, just go ahead and enable this if you're in a pinch. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.